Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Can you see my glasses are fogged up? Well, this is going to be a different type of video because COVID's on right now. So you can see there's a head back there. That's my brother-in-law, Nelson. Say hi, Nelson.
Hi.
And he has a drone. The reason he has a drone is because of this. Let me just put this up here. So, back here, I'm behind Nelson, but I'm coming closer. This is the X-MAXX. And if you're ever looking for something to film with a drone, RC cars are fun. Now, I can't see a thing. Now, Nelson has been flying a drone for about a year. He's got several drones actually. And this one's pretty cool with some legs on it. We'll talk about that in a second. This is the first time he's going to try to follow an RC car. If you fly camera drones and you want to follow an RC car or an RC plane, it takes like skills like you would not believe. So even if you've been flying for a year, it's quite difficult. And we'll see how he does today. So you're going to see the footage from that. And also, if I get a chance, I'm going to try to follow it with an FPV drone here. But what I want to show you next, I'm going to put this up. Nelson, bring your drone closer because he 3D printed something and explain what that is.
Hey guys, as Steve said, I've got my Mavic here with some 3D printed legs on it. Picked it up at a place called Thingiverse, so it's not my design. I got used to hand catching my Typhoon H and quite enjoy it. Do that probably all the time when I can. And with the Mavics, I find it really hard to do. I'm always so nervous hand catching. So I thought I'd try this and it's worked out fantastic.
Now while I get the X-MAXX ready, let me just say if you have never taken your DJI drone, Autel drone, Unique drone, Hubsan drone, Fimi drone, any of those camera drones and tried to chase an RC car, an RC plane, you're in for a world of hurt because it takes a ton of skill and Nelson's going to find out. Here you can see the attachments Nelson spoke of for his drone. They work out really well for him because he does have a sailboat, so he can just catch the drone, pull it right out of the sky, no problem. Also, we found out in this video that they're really good for landing in the snow.
So there's Nelson up in the air. He's over there with the drone. You can see it. I've got a GoPro here, and I'm going to stick this GoPro. There's Nelson over there. Stick the GoPro on the X-MAXX, and I'm going to have it face backwards, and maybe I'll see him.
Here we can see camera footage from Nelson's Mavic 2 Zoom, and you can see he can control it quite well. He's been flying for a year. However, he's done like most people. He only films non-moving objects. So trying to film a moving object that keeps changing speed and course with a camera drone is difficult.
Okay, so I want to get your drone in. So if you can get directly behind my little vehicle right over here. And then, I don't know if you can bring it down in the picture a little bit. I'm going to go really slow, see if you can film me.
Okay.
Okay, you got me?
Yep.
I'm moving forward and I'm going to go perfectly straight. That's the speed I'm going. Got it?
Yep.
I'm going a slight bit faster. There we go, and I'll stay at that speed.
Here we have test number 1 at super slow speed, and Nelson is having difficulties because this takes skills. So it's difficult to keep the right speed, it's difficult to keep the right height, and then you have to keep the camera on the object. It's not easy.
Lost you.
Pretty hard with a camera drone, isn't
Yeah, you tend to overshoot.
Yeah, and it's hard to find your subject. It's like, where was that?
Okay.
You got me?
Gotcha.
Okay, so I'm coming straight back. You can see the tracks on the ground that exist, and I'm going to just go parallel to them.
Nelson is now flying higher so that it is much easier to follow, which works a bit.
So far, so good?
Yep, you're right in the middle of the screen.
Come on over. And this time, try to follow me in front of me, looking at me, and flying backwards. This is a tough one. And I'll tell you when. So as soon as you have me.
Okay, I have you.
Okay, and slow reverse because I'm coming forward. Usually gives, I'm just going parallel to the existing tracks.
This one here is really easy at slow speed as long as there's something on the ground to follow, like those lines you see right there, because if not, your drone, you might start to fly off to the left or the right accidentally.
All good?
All good. Right in the middle of the screen.
Okay, and then the last one is from the side. So I'm going to turn to the left.
Okay.
There we go. I'm just going to come around and film me to the side. Pick any side you want.
Ready to go.
Okay, here I go. Forward. And I'm going to stay at that speed.
Following an object from the side is the most difficult of all unless you're far away. If you're kind of close like Nelson is here, it's quite difficult because drones do not fly straight and neither do vehicles on the ground, and it's very difficult to keep everything centered.
Yeah, no, I was losing you at the bottom of the screen.
With this one, Nelson, the good thing is that all those tracks, even if you lose me, if you're following the tracks, you'll be able to follow me. If I get away from you, just keep following the tracks.
Okay.
And I'm gonna go fast, so be prepared to go fast.
There you go.
You're good?
I'm ready.
This is gonna be funny. Here we go. Where'd you go, Nelson?
This is the most difficult of all because a camera drone cannot follow a fast-moving object unless the camera drone has a head start.
Okay, so now on your screen, if you're looking down like this, straight down,
Yeah.
take your camera and look up a little bit so the tracks are going that way. Because I'm just going to run right through it at high speed. You will be able to follow me very easy when you see me in the image. Just let me know when you have it.
I have it.
Okay, so when you see me run through your screen,
So I'm going to, can you back up then? Because you're in the bottom of my screen now.
you want me to back up?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, you're off the screen now.
I'll go full blast, not right away, but as I'm going to pick up speed as I go.
Yeah.
This should make it easier for you to follow. Okay, here I go. I'm going to try to keep it straight. Going now.
This one caught Nelson off guard, and his slow acceleration was just a tiny bit too slow to catch up.
Picking up speed, 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 and full.
Okay, gotcha.
Let me know when I can go.
You may go whenever.
Okay, here we go. I gotta go slow. Snow's a little deeper over here. I'll pick up a little bit of speed. There we go. You should have me now. And I'm gonna pick up a little bit more. Don't worry about your high, you won't hit anything. There we go, and I'll stop. You can stop too.
I am ready when you are.
All right, here we go. I'll go slow, picking up speed, picking up speed. It's hard, eh? You gotta stop, start.
Yeah.
Still got it?
Yep.
Okay, I gotta go full blast. There we go. Give her gas. And stop yours so you don't hit anything. Put your brakes on. There you go.
So what did we learn from all this? Well, we learned that camera drones are really not designed to follow small objects at close range that are moving at different speeds or changing course. This is why you will not see any good videos of a camera drone following an RC airplane or even an RC car. It just doesn't work out unless everything's going in a straight line or staying at a certain altitude. So, as expected, Nelson's skills, because we tried this for about an hour, they improved. And you're going to see coming up that he could actually follow the RC car at a much faster speed, low to the ground. So check this out.
All right, so Nelson's tried it once. He's gone through one battery. What do you think so far, trying to follow an RC car?
Very, very different speeds. You either start too slow or then get going too quickly. So it's and you're staring at a very small view. And so you got to be, thankfully it's got collision avoidance on it, but it's hard. It's hard to match speeds. Ready when you are.
I'm not going to go super fast. I'll go medium fast, like average speed.
And here's what I was talking about. This is Nelson flying very low to the ground. We're doing medium speed, and he's doing a pretty good job right here.
Better?
Very good, that one.
Okay, I'm going to turn to the left, slow. Turn to the left, see if you can follow me. Going left, slowly. Stay away from the trees. It's a big turn. And coming straight back to us. I'm going right on the lines, and I'm going to stay on the lines. Oh, you're over on the right, so I'm going to get over on your side. There. Oh, I was getting under you.
Yeah, no, that was good, that one.
And I'm going to start turning now, this time to the right. Here we go. Turning right, big turn. Miss all the trees. We're far away from the trees. Still got it?
Yep.
I'm out there. Nelson's here. So when you start moving,
Yep, so here we go. I'm going. Way you go.
and I'm gonna go real fast. Just a blur of snow. Try to keep it straight. And stopping.
Actually, that went pretty well.
You're getting low. Probably a good shot, but you're low. I'm gonna slow down and stop.
So after an hour of filming, Nelson's skills had improved, like 100%. He could easily follow the RC car no matter which way I turned, and he could maintain his speed, his height, and keep the camera on the object, pretty good. So with more practice, it just gets better. So anybody wants to try this, it is really, really difficult. Now, the next thing that's going to happen is I'm going to take my FPV drone, because an FPV drone can follow anything, and I'm going to fly it, except that I don't know if you can see it in the video, but it is going to start freezing rain. Now, freezing rain is rain droplets that fall and they turn to ice as they touch everything. So my FPV drone is going to get coated in ice, and especially the camera, and it's going to get so bad that I can't even see. Watch this.
Yeah, the last few passes were much better.
Yeah, much better. Yeah, you're getting better at it. So Nelson, we tried it many times. He got better and better as we went, and now the sun's not really great right now, but I'm going to take an FPV drone. Nelson's going to drive the truck, and I'll try following it with this and see what kind of results we get. So here we go. It's cold out here. FPV. So I'm looking in the parking lot, and we should be good. All right. Let me just get used to this for a sec, coming around. There's Nelson. You can drive forward, Nelson. So you see how I can turn on a dime here? Go faster forward. Because I've got a way too much throttle power here. Faster, 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 faster.
Now, unfortunately, it was raining and a dull overcast day, but what I wanted to show you with an FPV drone is you can follow anything. It doesn't matter if it's going up and down, side to side, slow or fast. FPV drones can follow whatever you want to follow. Now, the problem here was that it was raining, freezing rain, so those water droplets are starting to stick to the lens. That's why the GoPro looks so bad. This is the pilot camera. This is what I see in my goggles. That's why you see little props in the frame. So I have to follow, make out through the water droplets and the white of the ground and the white of the sky, make out where this car is, and try not to hit the ground. The takeaway is that I can turn on a dime, and no matter which direction or speed the car goes, I can follow it. It's that easy. But my pilot camera is going to get all messed up pretty soon, and this is what it starts to look like, and well, I'm going to crash. And this is what it looks like from the sidelines.
Oh, hang on a sec. Am I in the snow? Or
Yeah, you're in the snow. Boy, those things are tough, eh?
What's that?
If we smacked into the ground with any of the camera drones, they'd be in pieces.
Oh, yeah, these things here. These things here, you can crash all you want. So, tried it many times. It's easy to follow, but it's so dull out here that I'm flying, and I can't see the difference between the snow and the sky. So I come so low, and my tip's hitting. Look at my drone.
It was impressive.
All right, guys, this is the end of the video. I wanted to fly the FPV more, but it's just full of snow and ice. Check that out in the electronics, everything. That's the end of flying this one for today. I got to go dry it out. So Nelson, from back there, he's got his drone. What did you think about following the truck?
It was fun. A real good practice in terms of proportional control. Very difficult, very easy from far away. Up close, though, very easy to overshoot, and it's far more reactive than the drone. And the drone, when it gets to full speed, can blow it away until you put full power on, and then that was gone. There's no way the drone was keeping up.
All right, guys, I'm going to end this video here because I'm full of ice and snow, and we'll catch you in the next one. So thumbs up, Nelson, thumbs up. If you have any questions on this stuff, post below.